Shane, throw it for her. Throw the ball for her.
I'll wait till her time. Mommy, oh, you get the ball for me.
She'll drop it in a minute, and then you can get it, okay?
Abby!
Okay, get it from her. Look at that smile, Abby girl. Is that what you wanted, the ball, Abby?
Ready?
Do it for her, Shane. Do it. Come back this way.